Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol JNUG. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action, though, broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Nice movement today, not only from a price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and by far no means the biggest volume it's ever had, but definitely above average volume on the day. So a lot of eyeballs on this one. So let's map out some levels of support, and then we can talk areas of resistance. First area of support is what I would call the ideal level, meaning if you say, hey, Clay, what makes this chart look the best going forward? That would definitely be if the price can stay up here above the $8 mark. With that being said, don't get me wrong, I'm not saying that if the price breaks below 8, that the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can manage to actually stay up above that level, that would certainly be a step and a sign that the bulls are in full control of the current movement. Next level of support after that would be this previous breakout point area, and that sits right around $7.70. So $8 and $7.70, two of the nearer term ones. The other level to keep an eye on, and I'm not going to assign numerical value, is the purple line here because that's a moving average, meaning the value is going to move over time and change. So keep an eye on, like I said, 8 and then 760 area, or excuse me, not 760. I can't remember what I said. What did I call this level? 770, that's right. So keep an eye on 770 and 8, and then also, just keep a kind of a general idea of where that 50-period moving average is also at. Now, what about levels of resistance? If this, current trend is going to get some more continuation to the upside, where are some of these battlegrounds at? Pretty straightforward right now. As it stands right now, this seems to be the majority of the sellers are right up there around $8.30. So $8.30 public enemy number one going into tomorrow. But really, resistance levels don't matter much. Why do I say that? Because what matters the most is what the chart's been doing, and that is just building higher bases. As long as the price keeps on building higher bases like it's been doing, if you picture these as stair steps, then everything else takes care of itself, including breaking levels of resistance. So focus on building higher lows, and then just sit back and let the trend do its thing. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.